Hey, 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 what do you say? It's only me and the boy. Say hi, boy. Good boy. All right, well, anyway, I got this. I got those, and I got those. Pretty beefy. I got to lower the rear end. I just lowered it. I disconnected the shock so I could lower the rear end. I can't lower it any further than that. So hopefully this shit fits. Anyway, I'll be back. All right, so I tried to put it on, and I had to take the air out of the tire because it was kind of really tight here. I lowered the rear end down. I disconnected that shock. But when I got it on, it was hitting this bracket. I'm not sure what's going on with that, but I have to cut, I have to cut off where my finger's at, my fingernail. Cut that off and go down here like that. Cut it to match this. So I'm having an issue with the rim hitting. Only because, all right, I'll be back. All right, well, I cut off the top of this bracket, and I wanted to cut this off just in case. This is the emergency brake bracket. It was really close. I measured out everything, and it was really close, so I wanted to cut that a little bit, just in case. So if you come down here, it's pretty low, so that's good. So I'm going to try and get the rim tire back on, and well, I'm not going to try. I'm going to do it, and I'll bring you back. Hey, I'm back, and got it on the floor, and I got the meat on there. Okay, looks pretty cool. They fit after I did a lot of grinding. You can see the grinding shit on the floor there. I'm not sure if it's going to work or not, because I had to grind the shit out of the calipers to make the rim fit, because even though they're 15-inch rims, this step here, they have one on the inside also, and that cuts it down to a 14-inch rim instead of a 15-inch rim. They didn't account for my disc brakes, so I had to, you can kind of see the shiny. Well, I had to grind the shit out of the brakes and the brackets to get the rims on. But the rims are on, and there's lots of room in here and there, and it's pretty cool. So we're almost there. I just got to take it back apart so I can paint the calipers, and I want to paint the rotors. Same in the front. I got to paint the rotors. The front fit perfect. They don't hit anything, because you can kind of see the edge here. You can kind of see that. It's like this here is the same on the inside, but the back one is crazy. I can't return them because custom made. So I'm gonna just deal with that. If for some reason the disc brakes break or crack or whatever, if it doesn't work, I'll just put the drum brakes back on it, and that way I don't have to worry about that crap. So hopefully I didn't mess up the disc brakes by grinding them so much, because I had to take off I guess 1/4 inch or close to it. I didn't measure it, but it's close to it. And so that's that. So it's sitting pretty nice. It's a little lower in the front because the tires are smaller in the front. You can kind of see that, but it fits pretty good. I bought some 2-inch drop spindles. Now, if anybody's ever done that and got this, they really only show this one kind on the interweb, but it's, let me get one of them out here. Kind of like this here. Kind of like that there. Okay. So this is the one I bought on the internet to drop the front end down a little bit. And it fits on the car, but you have to buy a bracket, a different bracket for the caliper, which I did. and that fit. But when I went to put the rotor on, it did not fit over here. Okay. So when I went on YouTube, looked at a fellow who did this, he had to buy different rotors from a different year Chevy that fit here. This bearing fit on my bearing fit here, but my bearing did not fit here. It was too small. So he said that he had the same issue, and he said what year and all that stuff. I just don't remember it, but I saved the video just in case I do want to use these. I'm not going to send these back because the company that sold them to me does not have free return shipping. They want to charge me almost half of what I paid for these to ship them back, and I am not going to lose that kind of money on something that they said it would fit my car, but well, actually it does fit, but I just have to buy. The brackets were $70 and change. I'm not sure how much the rotors will be, but just to change for 2 inches, I don't think I want to go through that shit. Anyway, that's my dilemma, and I'm sticking to it. So I got this setting really nice. I'm going to put the car on these wooden things. I'm going to get my angles situated so I can order a drive shaft, and then get a drive shaft, and then I can weld the exhaust on. The exhaust right there. I'm not going to weld it. I'm going to clamp it in the back and clamp it in the front, and then weld everything else that I need to weld, like all those gaps that I cut. Okay, so that's it. I just want to show everybody the wheels and tires. I think they look really cool, and they don't rub anywhere. Nice and fat. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, that's where we're at today. I'm gonna post this video, and let me know what you think about the disc brakes, the calipers, grinding them like that. Does anybody have experience doing that? Did it work or did it not work? You know, all that kind of stuff. Let me know in the comments. Thanks. Have a good day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Hey, I'm back real quick. I put the car up on the wooden things. I adjusted the angles, and I got a drive shaft, and I bolted that sucker up there. Let me get under here and show you real quick. Oh, there it is right there. Boop. And it's pretty cool. They made it in one day, and that was awesome. I ordered it, the next day it was done. So I just gotta finish the cross member for the tranny right there. I made those brackets, spacers for it. So I just gotta finish up that part, and I'm done under here for that, and then I just gotta go to the exhaust. And that's that piece right there. So that's where I'm at. I got the wheels on there. I have to take the wheels back off and paint all the stuff, the rotors and stuff, but that's it. So I'm gonna post this video right now, and I hope everyone's having a great day. Thanks for watching. Oh, I brought that back over here, so I'm gonna start doing some stuff to that, in between stuff on this. See what happens. All right, bye. Oh yeah, happy Halloween, everybody. Hope everyone has a great night. Be safe out there. There's kids walking around, so drive safely. Bye.